Living with a Persian cat is like having your own little fur-covered royalty. But just like any king or queen, these majestic felines can face health challenges. Today, we'll unveil the top reasons why our beloved Persians might cross the rainbow bridge. Number 1. Respiratory woes. Their adorable squished faces can lead to breathing difficulties. Signs to watch for include noisy breathing or lethargy. Number 2. Dental drama. Their flat faces can also crowd their teeth, leading to dental disease. Regular vet checkups and proper dental care are crucial. Number 3. Eye issues. From cherry eye to tear stains, Persians are prone to eye problems. Regular eye cleaning and vet checkups are key. Bonus: stressful situations. Like any royal, Persians can be sensitive to stress. Provide a calm environment and plenty of love to keep them happy and healthy. Remember, early detection is key. By knowing these common causes and getting regular vet care, you can help your Persian live a long and regal life. Now, go forth and shower your furry majesty with love, and maybe a chin scratch.